Hey guys, so I am going to start a new video series, and all the videos are going to be less than 5 minutes. They're going to be very bite-sized because I know personally sometimes my attention span's not the greatest on longer videos. So these are all going to be very bite-sized, and it's going to be focusing on web development. So to get started, I'm just going to start at the beginning. You need a computer with internet access, and you need a text editor. There are, I don't know how many text editors out there. They all have their things that make them great, and they all have things that people kind of don't like about them. My personal favorite right now is VS Code. So to get that started, I just Google VS Code and Visual Studio Code and open it up and download for Windows. I'm not going to do that because I already have it on mine, but you would just go through the steps of getting it downloaded, and your text editor is going to look something like this when it comes up. Slowly but surely. There we go. So that was something I was working on earlier, but this is going to be what your text editor is going to look like. And we'll go over that more as we start creating some web files. So first things first is to download a text editor. I'll be using VS Code, so I recommend going with that one. That's it.